Hello, my name is James Defer. That's not true. But what is true is everything I'm about to say next. Within reason, shall we begin later?
Sounds good.
Intel has launched its 10th gen Comet Lake desktop processors. Although, as most of the relevant tech press has pointed out already, calling these 10th gen might be a bit of a stretch, as they're essentially modified versions of the 9th gen lineup. Those modifications include the addition of hyperthreading to every processor in the Core series, and like 3 different types of boost clock. I mean, you got Turbo Boost, but then you've got Turbo Boost Max 3.0 and Thermal Velocity Boost single/all-core turbo. Wow, it's like I just went to 5.3 gigahertz there myself. Despite the seemingly light modifications, these processors are launching alongside the new Z490 chipset, which brings support for Wi-Fi 6, 2.5G Ethernet, and a new LGA 1200 socket. While there's apparently no support yet for PCIe 4.0, which AMD did include in the Ryzen 3000 lineup, some are speculating that Z490 supports the feature and it will be forward compatible with Intel's 11th gen Rocket Lake CPUs. And by speculating, I mean that this guy from Gigabyte straight up said it in a live stream, so.
Will Z490 motherboards support 11th gen Intel Rocket Lake? Yes.
Whoopsies.
But cool?
Yeah.
Geoff Keighley is taking a swing at replacing the canceled E3 Expo with a 4-month-long online event. What? Called Summer Game Fest. Keighley calls it a global festival composed of digital showcases, game trailers, launches, in-game events, and free game demos. A long list of game companies, including 2K, Activision, Blizzard, EA, Microsoft, Sony, basically all of them, are confirmed to be showing off something or other as part of the festival between June and August, with a big finale taking place at Gamescom. That's how I call it. On August 24th. Keighley says if Summer Games Fest is successful, it could come back in 2021 or just happen year-round. But then, is it really a festival or just a way of life?
It's a new normal. It's all the time. Woo!
I'm a hedonist now. And NASA has awarded 3 contracts to develop lunar landing systems to space companies Dynetics, Blue Origin, and of course, SpaceX. The 3 companies have until 2024 to build systems that could allow humans like me to travel to the moon, land there, and start building permanent human civilizations, you know?
Wow.
By 2028. I'm gonna be living there for 10 years by 2028.
Bring my dog.
Humans like me, I'm going to space. While Dynetics and the Jeff Bezos-owned Blue Origin are working on multi-phase systems with ascent and descent components, SpaceX's proposal involves its own solitary starship. A graphic shows Starship sitting there on the moon with a panel open in the side, out of which astronauts, who are jovial, descend on what looks like a window cleaning platform. I mean, hey, sounds like a good plan, if it works, and if Elon hasn't gotten coronavirus by then. He seemed wilder than usual on Twitter as of
Free
late.
America now!
He's just sweating, his hair stuck to his forehead. To the moon, and then Mars! Now it's time for the quick bits, brought to you by iFixit. I fix it, you fix it. We all scream for fix it. iFixit's Maggie Driver Kit comes loaded with a hefty 1/4-inch aluminum driver with a magnetic bit socket, a knurled handle for a no-slip textured grip, and a silky smooth swivel top. There's also 48 1/4-inch steel driver bits that are built to handle the toughest and torquiest fasteners in any home or shop project. Every bit is held in place by a laser-cut foam case with a magnetized lid that doubles as a sorting tray. So it's perfect for those who are prone to dropping crap all over the place, you know? Visit ifixit.com/techlinked and pick it up today. That's the new Maggie Driver Kit. Get it now. Oh, we're friends off.
Oh, no.
You wanna come to my birthday party?
Oh.
Or not? I love those darn quick bits, you know? Get me all fat and sassy.
Woo!
Epic Games has officially canceled the Fortnite World Cup. What an epic disappointment. Apparently, even an online version of the event would have been impractical to execute. But save your tears, gamers, because you can still rock out with your skins out in Party Royale, the game's new social media space. It's a social space. It's a medium. And Fortnite's Ready Player One vibes increase on the daily. Chilling with the squad just continues to be more lit and straight fire. But the game that has put a fire under Fortnite's feet, Valorant, is getting a welcome update. Players can now disable the game's anti-cheat, called Vanguard, in the Windows system tray. Vanguard still runs at the kernel level, and you'll have to re-enable it to play the game, but at least you can have a false sense of security when you're just chilling with the game off on TikTok, owned by Tencent. Valve has ended support for SteamVR on macOS. No! No!
Sarcastic.
Hey look, if you're a Mac VR player, I'm sorry. But it kind of makes sense, you know? There's very few of you. Valve also delayed Dota 2, the International, to next year, so at least you know you're not the only one getting the short end of the stick. All the ends are short, you know? You know what you should do? Come to PC. We have so much VR, it's crazy. The longest sticks. China is using smart glasses to check citizens' temperatures as part of COVID-19 screening in parks, schools, and public spaces in general. Normally, I'd find measures like this a little intrusive, but we're in a pandemic, and you know, ends justify means.
Authoritarianism.
Nice one, Chinese government. Feels weird. And the job market kinda sucks right now, obviously, but if you've managed to get an interview, LinkedIn's new AI can coach you through it. It'll give you suggested responses for recorded or written. It'll give you suggested responses for a recorded or written portion of your interview, so you can prove you know how to ask a robot for help.
Do that one more time, but with feeling.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Under my boot. And that's it for this video, guys. Come back on Monday for more tech news, hopefully delivered by... a human.
Wait, are you